Well, hi everybody, welcome back. I'm here at the workbench again with a brief update on some new items that have been brought into the shop here. Dario and a couple of friends of ours, Peter and Dario and I went to Kingston um, Model Show, Kingston, Ontario last Sunday, and I only picked up one kit. It's this 57 Ford Gasser, two-in-one kit. I've been wanting to do a Gasser. I've been looking at Ed at Shoot Dang Models and Glenn's models that turning anything in the can into a gasser, so I thought I'd like to try that. I don't know too much about gassers, but this kit's got everything I'm going to need. I'll do an unboxing there when I get to the build. Also, it's in the Walmart's the other day. They had a box bins of Hot Wheels, so I just kind of quickly went through. This one caught my eye. I guess the color and the shape. I like the Mopars, the 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger. I like the color. I'm going to have to open it up a bit. I like to put some red marker on the tail lights and a little black wash maybe on the grill and that, and just fix it up a little bit. Other than that, it's kind of nice. I don't collect too many Hot Wheels, but just sometimes the odd one will catch my eye. And last build I did that little helicopter egg plane there, egg helicopter for the egg plane group build. When I got finished with that, I was thinking I need a Jeep. There's a little diorama to put with it. So I went on AliExpress online and I found this little Jeep here. It's about 1/72nd scale. I think it was like $1.67 Canadian, and shipping, it was free shipping. So I ordered one. Here's a copy of the screen with my the confirmation of my order from AliExpress. So I guess I paid $1.62 for that little Jeep kit, and that included the shipping. However, it seems that the price has changed, because if I click on it now and it goes here, it's gone up to $4.19. You can get it also in yellow or green, but it seems the price has increased a little bit. Still a good buy. It took about a week or so, week and a half, and it came in yesterday in the delivery. This is the instruction sheet. It's pretty detailed for such a small little thing there. It's all painted already. It's green. It's got the white star decal on the hood. On the hood there. Here it is here. Comes with a little trailer. And it's just pretty. Cut it apart, put it together. I can clean it up and paint it if I want. It's curbside, I guess. Got the look at the detail on the. Let me see if I can focus that here. There we go, the detail on that. You can try and add some color to it. And all the little parts it comes with, the dash and windshield and so on. It's got the tires for the solid plastic tires for the Jeep and the trailer. I don't want to take it out of the package because it's got 3 little metal axles even. So that's a pretty good deal for under $2, shipping included. So you'll see that next. I'll put that together and try and make a little bit of a diorama with that. So not buying too many these days. I'm trying to use up my stash, get caught up here, but that's what I've got up to date. Well, I've gone over these parts and done some washes, some brown Tamiya panel liner and black panel liner washes. Also some gunmetal dry brushed on the edges just to make look a little worn, a little weathered. And over the tires are gunmetal and brown wash on that, with some olive green on the seat covers. On the cushions part there, I just took a chrome marker for the headlights and signal lights there. Focus a little better. So mostly just some washes and some dry brushing of some gunmetal, just to show a little bit of wear and tear on it. A little bit extra brown on the trailer here. Just dab some of that off. So just make it look a little more realistic and a little more weathered. So that's coming along well. Well, I'm back. I've got the little Jeep and the trailer all put together. I must say this is an amazing little kit. Everything snaps into place, pushes right into place. It takes a little bit of effort. I used a little bit of these dowels here, little wooden skewer, I use for stirring paint. I just sometimes put it on the pad here and push the parts into place. A couple of spots I needed to add some fine Tamiya cement. The windshield goes up and down. The wheels turn. The trailer, I just had to open the little opening on the hitch on the trailer there to hook it onto the trailer hitch, and it looks great with a little bit of paint on it, and everything looks great. It went together well. It's got a lot of detail for such a small little piece, and for something that was like $1.60 something. It's an amazing little kit. It went together very well. It paints up really nice. Got some gunmetal brushed on there, some brown and black washes, a little bit of olive green on the seats, as I said earlier. And it's an amazing little kit for something 1/72 scale. And so I'm going to look, stay tuned. There'll be pictures with that. I'm going to try and make a little diorama with the, but for now I'll just put it with the little egg plane that I did. Well, here they are together. I guess it's a little smaller than I thought. I thought 1/72 scale would be close, but maybe 1/35 scale would be better size. I may try to find one. I think they do make them in different sizes. However, it was a lot of fun building this little Jeep, and went together quickly, and just a little bit extra detail added on with the paint. And it was a real nice little build.